So about 2 years ago, I made a Cthulhu obelisk statue. And I never showed how I made the skull for the Cthulhu statue. So I'm going to revisit this and show you how I did it. So the skull I'm using in this project, I think I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. And now I can't seem to find them anywhere, even online. So if anybody out there can find these for me, let me know, and let me know where I can get them. So I'm just using a basic hand drill. Now I got this off Amazon, and if I remember, I'll put a link down. It's actually quite nice. It comes with a lot of bits. It even comes with a clamp to hold the object that you're drilling in place, so it doesn't go all over the place. So I decided I was going to try something a little bit different with this Cthulhu skull than I did the original one, which of course you guys never got to see. But I found out drilling the holes in it, it worked good. The wiring went in fine. The super glue I used with the enhanced spray that I used to seal that worked, but it still didn't seem to hold very well. So in this project, I'm going to be using green stuff. And I found out that I don't like using the green stuff on wiring. It just doesn't seem to work as well. Maybe that's just me. I know you're supposed to let the green stuff dry or set for at least 10 to 15 minutes before using it if you want it to be a little stiffer. But even after it was on there, it just didn't look right. I couldn't get the right roundness to it. It seemed way off, and I didn't like it. So eventually I just go ahead and start pulling all the wiring that has the green stuff off, and said forget it, we're just going to go back to rolling it by hand and just be patient with this and just get the curves and the curls and the tentacles right. I will admit that I am no expert when it comes to using green stuff. It is definitely a skill that takes time to learn, and I know that I've made plenty of mistakes making this, but I enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So now that you've heard me babble for a bit, I'm going to go ahead and do a speed time lapse for the rest of this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you stick around until the end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that chopping block of a video, and remember to ring that like button like a hunchback.